To all UAE fighters, alright, this is the latest homework that I wish you can do by this week. Those who are in combat, those who are at home on holiday, of course, please continue next week. Because Gombak, next week I was informed that you all will be facing your revision week. So try to push all out for the program that we have properly designed together by this week. So next week at least you can maintain whatever you can do. At home, try to start properly this week immediately. Okay? So this program need to be tweaked together with the aerobic day as well as resistance day. Okay? For the anaerobic day, we just focus on plyometric. So after the aerobic day, after you have done your aerobic routine, which is the jog, okay, I wish you to do the stretching that shared by Senpai Amin Topa early. Alright, and then after that, immediately do the 2 minutes jumping. Okay, I wish that you can do. Okay, why I say I wish? Because I don't want to show that I really force you. I want you to do from your heart. That's why I say I wish. Okay, so that's my wish. Please make my wish come true. Okay, alright. Macam Christmas pula orang kan. Okay, so make sure you jump. Try to stabilize your jump on your ankles. Okay, like this. Okay, if you see my ankle move like that, try to stabilize your jump on your ankle. Set 2 minutes time. Just jump, relax. Okay, 2 minutes jump. Okay, alright, and then front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. So normal jump 2 minutes, relax. Front, back 2 minutes, relax. Okay, do not use, reminder for you, do not use your knees to do that. I don't want to see this kind of thing. Okay, because after all, finally you will injure your kneecap. Okay, so try to jump on your ankles. Master this. Master to jump on your ankles. Master this movement. Okay, alright. Yes, it's true. Your knee might move a little bit, but your concentration not on your knee, your ankle. Okay, do not ever jump on the knee. Wrong. Alright, so understand? Static, front and back. Okay, next, third one. Okay, 2 minutes also. We're going to do leapfrogging jump, which is from here, as I told you, front, back. I told them earlier, during the design of the first program, front, back, front, back. Okay, front, back. Okay, simple. You need to do this about 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute only. Alright, okay. Next, I want you to do this one. Okay, from there, jump. Front hand, back hand, front hand, back hand, front hand, back hand, front hand, back hand. From the side, from here, front hand, back hand, front hand, back hand, front hand, back hand. 100 times. Okay? Got it? Got it. So better try to compartmentalize the training. If you do jog, you do stretch, that's it. In the afternoon, do this skill. Okay, compartmentalize. If you can do all the way together, also good. But I afraid you will be very tired. Okay? Okay, so front hand, back hand. Kizami, jaku. Kizami, jaku. Really relax in order for you to get the timing. Okay? So next, brothers and sisters, what we are going to do is that for the leg exercise, okay, I just wish you to do like this. Okay, from here, okay, starting from take one good linear, line. Means you can hold the wall. Okay, alright, body go down, raise up your leg. Okay, just do 30 times. 1, 2, move your hip. Move your thigh. Move your thigh. Move your thigh like this. Okay, move your thigh. Alright, do not move your knee. Okay, focus on the thigh. Of course your knee will move, same like the jump just now. Focus on your ankle. Of course your knee will move. But do not focus on your knee, focus on the thigh. I want you to have a very strong thigh for us to execute your uramaoshi, yodamaoshi, something like that. Okay, once you strong here, everything will be possible. Everybody can do it. Okay, 30 times only. Alright, 30 times only. Okay, after that, change right leg, 30 times also. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 2 like that. Okay, alright, if you can go lower and higher, much better. Okay, make sure straighten up your back leg and raise up. Okay, alright. That one is the fifth one, I believe. Static, front back, leapfrogging, front hand, back hand for fifth. That one. Okay, six. Take a good, of course, what we call dinding eraser. Yeah. Can we move a little bit there? Just now you do in order to strengthen your thigh. Now we do in order to sharpen up our touch, the ability of touch. Okay, so make sure your tummy, okay, middle part of your body, okay, lean on the wall, and both hands do like this, raise up, okay, and then your knee, your tummy touch the wall, okay. Raise up your leg, your back leg, raise up your leg, and just do like that. Okay, make sure you can feel that your leg stretch straight. Yes, your hand like this. Okay, like this. Straight. I hope you can see me clearly in this video. Okay, all right. So it will create the ability of your leg. I mean, your leg will be alert that she or it needs to move like this. Means after raise up, it must hit the target. That's the idea. But before we hit the target, what is the thing that must be strong? The hip, the thigh. Am I right? Okay, next we go further. Okay, for the kick, the number 7 exercise. Okay, which is the ability for you to raise your leg. Okay, alright, what you do, go down like this, raise, drop, and then back, down. Okay, so make sure do the same as we did the number 6 exercise. Okay, bermakna your tummy, middle part of your body, and your knees able to lean on the wall. Okay, alright. So still the same, 30. For legs, all I put sharp 30 only. Okay, for the program, 30, one set only. Enough. Okay, start with that. After that, if you feel okay, increase. But tell me when you increase. Okay, alright. So do like this. Once again, raise up, go back, down. Raise up, go back, down. Like that. Okay. So you will get the kata, the form of the leg. How to do the mawashigiri. Okay. It's going to we're going to apply the same for ura mawashigiri. Okay. Put your right leg behind. Right leg the one which near the wall. Like this. Okay. Like this. Put like this. Up. Push. Like that. Okay. Back. Down. Use the wall. Definitely you have to use the wall. Okay. This is what we call smart training. You use whatever has surrounds you to help you. Okay, to improve. Raise up, kick, back, down, like that. Then you will develop your muscle. Okay. From there, when we do the real kumite, the kick will be much easier. Okay. So that's number 8. Number 9. Okay. Same 30 times also. Number 9. We have to do like this. Okay. The Gyakuzuki launch. We have to make sure our muscle ready to be launched. Just now, we make sure our muscle relax. Okay, now, other than that, we need to train our launch. So, be on the position of your low Zenku Sudachi. Up and try to maintain your center of gravity. Go. Like that. Okay, try to take a good measurement so that you know your ability. How far you can go. Okay, if at home you have a marker or whatever, put it. Okay, so let's say you start with something behind a line. Okay, you put a line there. So when you do the first one, raise up and go. You know that this is your maximum. Okay, then put the mark over there. So make sure try to reach at least at the maximum. Okay, that's the minimum you should reach. If you can do more, much better. Then you know you already improved. Then you're lunging. And even more, if we start to do proper plyometric program, MashaAllah, your Gyaku will be very fast. Okay, insyaAllah. So do that 30 times only. Relax. Back. Okay. Try to put lines, okay? I don't have it here, I don't put it here. But go home, or when you do this, put a line. Okay, this workout number 9. Number 9. Okay, and for the last one, I believe. Okay, for the last one, just relax. Do. Alright. From here, do 100 times. As we did just now. This one 100, is it? 100. Jump 2 minutes. Front back 2 minutes. Okay. This one? 100 or 1 minute?
100 je.
100. Which one I kata 1 minute? The leapfrogging. Am I right? Okay. Now, for the last one, create your defense mechanism. Okay. Actually, if you see, our first phase training more to conditioning you. Make sure your body ready to do all sort of things. Important thing that we're going to do at the second level, second phase. So what you do from here, block, punch. I just want you to go like that, 100 times. Jump, jump, go, go. Jump, go. Jump, jump, block, go. Jump, jump, block, go. Make sure the block you feel like a flow. Okay, you feel like a flow. The flow training will come better, will come easier if you can do this training earlier. Understand what I mean? Bila kita masuk second phase nanti, so many technique we will do by flow. Okay, so try to get the flow now. From here, jump, jump, go. Jump, jump, block, go. Jump, jump, block, go. Okay, Osh? So I may repeat for you one more time, all of you. Okay, my brothers and sisters. First one, jump. After you do aerobic and also resistance training, you jump 2 minutes on the ankle. Do not use the knee. First, 2 minutes. Second, jump front and back. Relax also, relax. Relax your body, do not stiff. Relax. 2 minutes. Okay, that's second. Front and back, and then relax. Third, leapfrogging, change. Jump, jump. Jump, 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 change. Jump, 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 change. Jump, 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 change. 1 minute. Okay. Alright, the third one, front hand, back hand, 100. Front hand, back hand. 3. 4. Get the footwork. 5. Get the tempo. Calm. Get the timing. That's number 3. Sorry, that's number 4. Right? Okay, number 5. We go to the kick. Okay. Number 5 is the one I told you. Get the wall or anything. Make a straight line and move. That's number 4. Okay. Number 5. Okay, start to do exercise that's going to enable, okay, going to switch on the ability of your knee, your hip and your knee to work together to get the target. Okay, so from here, tummy and knee, one straight line, go. Okay, that's number 6. Number 7, okay, you need to raise up your leg. After you have strengthened your thigh, you have made a good target for your knee. Now we are going to raise up and hit the target. So from here, do like this, go low, try to put some resistance, up, go, stop, and down, right, and up again, stop, and down, okay, all 30 times, for the kick, all 30 times, okay, alright, and the next one, do for Uramawashi. For Uramawashi, Gary, from here, up, back. Make sure you can feel your body straight to the wall. Okay, like that. Alright. Up, back. Alright, like that. Okay? 30 times. Okay, and make sure you bring down again. That's number 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, 9. Number 9. Okay, lunging. Okay, Gyaku lunging. Go down low. Low, then go slouchy. Up. Center gravity. Go. Try to put the marker so that you can see from where you start and where is the maximum you can go. That's number 9. Last one, number 10. We create our defense mechanism, flow, like the one you did. 1, 2, same. Okay, relax. Okay, for 30 times. 100 times. Okay, for D1 100 times. The rest yang number 5 sampai number 9 tu semua 30. Okay, yang ini you buat 100. Jump, jump, block, go. Jump, block, go. Jump, block. Feel it. Jump, block, go. Okay, if you feel like you want to do sambil pejam mata tak apa. What I want you to get continuously. What I want you to get is the flow. Awak dapat rasa, even if kalau you don't have the technique at that time, people come to you, you can feel it. I want that to happen to you. You do this exercise, inshallah you will get it. Only 2 days. during the aerobic days, after the aerobic program, and during the resistance days. For the anaerobic day, remain with the plyometric that I will post to you later. Okay, so inshallah, brothers and sisters, I wish you all the best. Trust me, you are the best. That's why Allah put you here. Okay, it's not simply I choose you. Okay, destiny, takdir Allah, the qadar and the qadar, your name are there. Okay, so please take that honor from me and Sister Mizan. Okay, do your best, and I wish you success in everything. Okay, for study, of course lah, do your best also. For this one also, please don't miss. Okay, and anything, just keep me updated. You can SMS me, you can WhatsApp me, or even you can put message in Facebook. Okay, all the best to you. I trust in all of you. I know you are the best. Okay, thank you very much.